Hi and welcome to this time not a tutorial, but I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do for this year's 2020. Now, first of all, I want to inform you that I will not be uploading anymore every Friday because I'm going to need a little more time for myself because I want to push up the standard. So I want to become even a better drawer, and this needs some time. Now, the reason that I'm not uploading every Friday anymore is because, you've known I have a Patreon page, and I want to push up that standard for the patrons too, the patrons, and so I can give even better and more clear, crisp clear tutorials. So that is going to take a little more time, and I also want to put there some bigger projects like studies from Mr. Escher and those kinds of things, and they will take a little bit more time for me to figure that out. Also, I come from the Netherlands, as you know, and a lot of the Dutch viewers asked me, your Patreon page is all in English, and can you not do a little bit more in the Dutch language? So I've joined a Dutch group. It's called tekenclub.nl. And I'm going to, translate some of my English Patreon tutorial uploads and, translate them into Dutch for the Dutch people. So that's going to take a little bit more time too. Then what else am I going to do? I'm giving actual workshops at the moment. And I do that here in the Netherlands, so I'm going out a little bit more, showing myself, but also I literally want to take my easel and then I want to go outside, literally, and then, mercy, and then... That's my cat, you know. And then I actually go outside, do a little bit of urban sketching. So that's quite nice too. And actually the cats need a little bit more attention now and then. So go outside, take workshops. And I also have a little channel called Lineke Kids that is all Dutch, and I do some challenges there. It's just little tiny uploads just for myself. I'm drawing 50 cats, for instance, but that's all in Dutch. But, especially what I want to do is, at this moment, I'm looking at Escher, Mr. Escher, and you can see it here. I've drawn one of his drawings, even two. This is the second one, which is quite amazing. It's a ship and that ship window and this kinds of perspective. I still have to figure out a way to film that, to record that, because this is huge. So maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller, but those larger projects will take me a little bit more time too. So that's the only message. I'm not uploading anymore. I'm uploading each second Friday. So I'm going to skip every other Friday I'm going to upload for you. So I'm still around, and let me know in the comments what you think of it, of my little plan, and then in 2021 we will look forward how we're going to I want to see how high my standard is by that time. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you not next Friday, but the Friday after that. Take care. Bye-bye.